Wanna be my girlfriend? You mean girlfriend? What? You forgot the D. Don't worry about the D, baby. You'll get that later. Even if there wasn't any gravity on Earth, I would still fall for you. Looks like I'm your angel. I also like cocktails and wine. Are you up yet? Where are you? Nowadays, there are married couples whose how we met story goes, we swiped right and then he asked me to marry him. I'm not going to ask, but it's tempting. Just ask already. Is it a good thing that I have my library card? Cause I'm totally checking you out. People call me Luke, but you can call me tonight. Did the sun come up or did you just smile at me? Do I know you? Cause you look a lot like my next girlfriend. See my friend over there? He wants to know if you think I'm cute. Do you have any raisins? No? Then how about a date?